Now, in this video, we're going to just do a bit of a revision of trigonometry. Now, you may remember from grade 9, grade 10, trigonometry is all to do with right-angled triangles. And it's the relationship between sides of a right-angled triangle. Now, we need to identify a specific angle within the triangle that we're talking about. And from that angle, we name their three sides. The one straight across from the angle is always called the opposite. The one that's directly beside the angle is always called the adjacent. And of course, the longest side is always called the hypotenuse. So in trigonometry, it's the relationship between the sides. So the three relationships we talk about are the sine, the cosine, and the tan of the angle. It's pronounced sine, not sin. We never sin in maths, we only sine. So when we talk about the sine of the angle, we mean we take the length of the opposite side and divide it by the length of the hypotenuse side. When we take cosine of the angle, we take the length of the adjacent side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. And when we do tan, length of the opposite side divided by length of the adjacent side. And we have our little memory jingle that we do for this. Sine, which is opposite on hypotenuse, cos adjacent on hypotenuse, tan opposite on adjacent. So some people refer to it as Sokotoa. I prefer memory jingle. Some old hags can't always hide their old age. So when you come to do trigonometry, just say to yourself, some old hags, etc. Write down the letters and you've got the rule for sine, cosine and tan. Now when you do trigonometry, only three type of problems you're ever going to come across. Problem number one will be we have the length of an unknown side and it ends up on top of a fraction. You rearrange that like this. That divide by 15 comes over to become multiplied by 15. Second type of problem you're going to come across will be you might have the unknown side of a triangle ends up on the bottom of your fraction. In that case, you take these two positions and you swap them. So you work that out. And the last sort of problem you're going to come across is where you don't even know the size of the angle, but you have the other two sides. In which case, whenever you come to work out an angle, you always have to undo the trig operation. So the opposite of sine is arc sine. Sine's a -1, inverse sine. Any of those is fine by me. So it's the undoing of sine. So very quick, you've covered trigonometry in grade 9, you've covered it in grade 10, so this is a very quick review. Name the three sides accordingly. Your rule for sine, rule for cosine, rule for tan. And then the three type of problems you're going to come across. Unknown side on the top, unknown side on the bottom, unknown angle. All three handled in a slightly different way from each other. So good luck on your trigonometry review. That's going to lead us into our exercises on 12.3. So, your joke. Have you want to hear a joke about paper? You don't want to. It's terrible.